Listen and read. A.
Abroad. Capital. City. Hotel. Letter. Sea. Square. Thing.
B. Abroad. To go abroad. To live abroad. To have holidays abroad. My cousin had wonderful holidays abroad last year. Capital. The capital of a country. Moscow is the capital of Russia. London is the capital of England. City. Moscow is a city. London is a city too. There are a lot of cars and buses in big cities. To do the city. When we visited Russia, we went to Moscow and did the city. Hotel. A big hotel. In, at a hotel. To have a room in a hotel. When we were in London, we had a room in a big London hotel. Letter. 1. A long letter, a short letter. He never writes letters to his friends. 2. A small letter, a capital letter. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. How many letters are there in the Russian alphabet? C. In the sea. The Black Sea. The Red Sea. Fish swim in the sea. We went to the sea last Sunday. Square. A big square. A square in a town. Red Square. In the square. When my parents were in Moscow, they visited Red Square.
2. I can see 2 black squares and 1 red square in the book.
Thing. Things. Good things. A lot of things. A lot of interesting things. You can see a lot of interesting things in England.